What is up, everyone? Jamie with The Good Food Chef, and today we're getting ready for Super Bowl Sunday. We're gonna do some beer braised chicken. The chickens that I'm getting are from Fraser Valley Specialty Poultry. If you hadn't had a look, I'll leave a link in the description below. They do absolutely amazing poultry. They do duck, squab, chicken, and goose. They are amazing, hormone-free, family-run, absolutely the best I've ever had in my life, and I'm not just saying that. If you hadn't already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button, of course, hit the like button, and turn on notifications because I make weekly videos just for you. I'm Jamie with The Good Food Chef. Let's get this. Thanks for watching today's video, everyone. If you hadn't already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and of course, turn on notifications because I make weekly videos for you. If you want to see something specific, make sure you leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Jamie with The Good Food Chef. Stay healthy, everyone.